NetSpend Prepaid Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how much flexibility a prepaid card can offer when used smartly. Most people think prepaid cards are just temporary solutions, but the NetSpend Prepaid Card comes with features that rival traditional bank accounts. The card allows direct deposit, bill pay, and access to ATMs nationwide. You can also earn rewards on qualifying purchases through NetSpend's cashback program. Mobile banking tools provide real-time alerts, budgeting features, and easy transfers between cards. There's no credit check required, making it accessible for people with poor or no credit history. Fees exist, like monthly service fees or ATM withdrawals, so careful planning is essential to maximize value. The downside? It doesn't build credit, and rewards are lower than traditional credit cards. Interest-free purchases are not an option since it's prepaid. Verdict: worth it for those needing banking flexibility without credit. Leave it if your goal is to build credit or maximize rewards.